One of the Waukesha girls charged with stabbing a classmate to please the fictional character Slender Man is getting released from a mental hospital.
A judge within the hour granted Morgan Geyser's plea for freedom. 12 News' Nick Bohr was in the courtroom as the decision came down. Nick, what reason did the judge give for his ruling?
Well, we didn't know which way this was going to go, but ultimately the judge decided that Geyser has made the necessary progress to be released to a residential facility versus the state mental hospital she's been confined to for the past 6 years after one of the state's most notorious cases. It's nearly 11 years since the bloody, terrifying stabbing of a 12-year-old Waukesha girl, almost killing her. The classmates who did it, Morgan Geyser and Anissa Weier, told police they were motivated by a twisted belief that the horror character Slender Man was real and they had to kill to impress him.
I tackled her and I stabbed her.
Both were committed to mental institutions for decades, but Weier was released in 2021, and Geyser today made another bid for her release, with all three court-appointed doctors who examined her agreeing she is ready.
She has had multiple opportunities to be in the community and has done very well, and that I think there's nothing to suggest that she is a danger to herself or others. And I think there's very little at this point that Winnebago can do for her.
The doctors suggest a release to a halfway house setting, but the decision ultimately up to a judge. And prosecutors argued Geyser remains a danger.
Most people are not capable of taking a knife and plunging it into someone else. One time, Morgan, as we know, did it 19 times. And then left this victim to bleed to death and walked away.
Ultimately, the judge decided the progress Geyser has made is significant and she should begin her return to society. How do you think the community will respond to this and not knowing her the way that you've come to know her?
I'm born and raised in Waukesha. My whole family lives here. I think the community will understand if they think about it deeply. This is a very good judge who's been involved in the case the whole time.
And Nick, we know she didn't just walk out of the courtroom there after the decision. How soon is Geyser expected to be released?
Right, she remains in custody at that state mental hospital. The Department of Health and Human Services will have 60 days to develop a plan that'll include a halfway house setting. The judge will have to approve that plan as well, and it'll depend on her progress where she goes from there. She still remains under mental health supervision by the state until 2058. So if her release doesn't go well, she could wind up right back at the Winnebago Mental Health Institution.
Nick Bohr reporting live at Waukesha County Courthouse. Thank you.